How to fix Monzo mobile banking app not working. So you might be facing this problem due to the connectivity issue. That's why you have to make sure that you are connected to stable Wi-Fi. Once you have the strong network connection, the next thing you want to do is head over to your app store. And then in the search bar, simply search for Monzo. Move into this app. Right here, instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and it might be the reason that you are having the issue. If that's the case, click on update and update your app. Once you have the latest version of the app, now the next thing you want to try doing is head over to the settings of a device. Inside settings, move into general, and then in this page, head over to iPhone storage. Search for the application Monzo. Once you have found it, move into it. Now what you want to do is click on Offload App, and then once again click on Offload App. Offloading app means clearing the cache and the storage of the application. It will remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. It might also fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix Monzo mobile banking app not working. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.